button. So you mean tell me you don't like this content? You like it! I told you you love it here. Go ahead. If you haven't, you still waiting, go ahead and press the subscribe button. Hi my loves, it's your girl Shantes, also known as With Love SB. Welcome if this is your very first time to my channel. Mwah, mwah, mwah. It's so nice to have you here. And if you've been here before, welcome back. I love you all. Since you're, here, you might as well go ahead and pause the video, tap that subscribe button because you're gonna want to stay here. You're gonna love it here, okay? So anyway, as you can see from the title of today's video, I am going to be showing you some quick and easy head wrap styles that you can do, whether you are, fresh and your lock journey, you have started locks like myself, if you're just a natural, if it's just like a bad hair day or you just want to switch it up a little bit, these head wrap styles can work for anyone. Now, let me just tell you, so me personally, I am currently 7 weeks into my second lock journey, so I had to find something to assist me with keeping my hands out of my head. So I was just like, you know what, this particular stage of my journey consists of a lot of frizziness right now, so I'm just like, okay, something's got to give. Let's head back to the head wraps. Let's do something cute, do some head wraps. And of course, there's a whole bunch of hoopla and everybody's opinions about wearing bonnet and raggedy scarves out in public. But listen, bro, listen, sis, you can still wear your head wrap. There's not a problem. And if you want to wear your bonnet in public, do you? Because guess what? It's your choice. If you like it, I love it. Anyway, but yes, if you are interested in seeing these head wrap styles, be sure to stay tuned. So I purchased these wig caps from my local beauty supply store. It came with 2 in a pack. It was only $1.99, and I decided to get a color that matched closest to my skin tone. So this next step is completely optional. I know sometimes with some of my head wrap looks, I actually like for, like the little bun to look a little fuller. So with me putting on this stocking cap, it basically just serves as a way to make it sturdy for me to keep this in place. So this right here is gonna serve as my little bun because right now, my locks are in the beginning stages right now, so if I pull it back in a ponytail, it'll be, a little small bun. If I want to jazz it up a little bit, I just add some. I just add one of the scarves that I have lying around. I actually got this off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description bar, so if you're interested in purchasing this, this serves as like a nice head wrap as well. And then I just roll it up into like a little ball, nothing jazzy, nothing fancy. But as you can see, like a little ball like this. And so what you're gonna do next, game changing, instead of just like sitting it on like the top of your head, if you want it more secure, then you can just actually stick it in the back of my wig cap. Squeeze it together. All right, turn around. And there you have it. My little faux bun. So let's jump into the head wrap style number 1. Let me just back up a little bit for, viewing purposes with doing these head wrap styles. So this is the scarf that I'm going to be using right now. Stand up. See, it is pretty long. I did purchase this off of Amazon as well. It's kind of like a jersey knit fabric. So it has this little stretch to it. It's not 4-way stretch because it doesn't really stretch in this direction, but it does stretch this way. So let's place it at the top. That. I'm just gonna take it, bring it around my head like that. And then I'm just going to bring it in the front. Make sure that it's even on both sides. Just tie a little knot. Like that. Now, like I said before, the best thing about wearing head wraps is it doesn't have to be perfect. And let me just warn you now that first off, practice will allow you to get better. It doesn't necessarily make perfect because each and every time that you wrap your head is going to be different, but it's cool. I think that it adds character. So I'm gonna just take this side and wrap it around like this. And just tuck the extra fabric. That. Take this side next, and I'm folding these pieces inward so that when I fold it, it's a little flatter. And just wrap it around this way. And then just tuck it in like that. This is just like, you know, the classic low bun wrap. And I like to start with my head wraps close on my forehead because, you know, typically when you're wrapping your hair, it tends to slide back a little. So, yeah. When you're doing these head wrap styles, you can do multiple variations. So one way that I like to switch it up is it's pretty much the same thing, but it's a little different technique. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to fold the scarf a little bit. I'm not going to fold it completely in half, but I'm going to fold it like a third of the way down. Okay? So it's not completely in half, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but yeah. Take it like that, toss it on here. Again, I like to bring mine pretty forward, and then at the end I can push it back if I like. Bring it right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the two sides, like this, side one, side two, and I'm going to cross them in the back. Knot. Alright, so we got side one. I'm gonna twist it. So rope. I'm gonna wrap that around. Twist and wrap. Twist and wrap. Twist and wrap. And then you get to the end. It's fine. Please tuck it. Alright? And then we're going to take side two, do the same thing. Next one, I'm just going to put it over my head like this, and then I'm going to gather it in the back. When it's back there, pull it like that, make a little knot back here. Okay. And then from here, I'm going to take the side on side one and fold the flaps in so it'll lay flat. What I mean by that is, you see these ends, loose ends, Just gonna fold them inward like that, okay? And then all I'm gonna do is take it and just pull it around the front. This, okay? And when I do that, then I'll turn to the back so you can see. Just take it and tuck it under. Now the next one is going to be just a quick little variation. So I'm just unwrap it really quickly. I'm gonna leave my hair the way that it is because we're doing the same thing. We'll just leave it. You remember we crisscrossed in the back, tied a little knot. And so what I'm gonna do this time is I'm just going to go ahead and do the little rope braids again, just by twisting, twisting, twisting. And we're gonna bring it back around the front. It is pretty much like the most simplest one and the one that I pretty much wear majority of the time that I have my hair wrapped. So just fold it, your scarf like that, wrap it around the head. So I'm taking everything down because these next couple of styles are actually going to require my hair to be pulled up. So I have my little scrunchie here. I'm gonna spritz my hair. So this is what I use to spritz my hair down. I also have aloe vera juice inside, so I just mix them together. All right, and then with this, you're gonna wanna pull all of your hair to the front. Then I am going to take my scarf and for this particular style, I'm gonna fold it completely in half. Tie it into a knot. Like that. I'm just gonna twist it around like this. And then I'm going to bring it around the side. Back and around. And then what I'm going to do with the rest of the fabric is I'm just going to tuck it along the way. And inside. And just tuck it down into the wrap like that. Just tuck it in. Just take it down. Let's start at the same baseline. Just unravel it. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to tie another knot. Put my hair out the way. Put another knot right here. Okay. So we have a little knot in the front. Then you're going to take this side right here. Make sure the flaps are folded in so that it's flat. And then we're going to wrap it around this way. Just tuck that in there. Okay. Do just like I did on the other side. And you're just going to wrap it around. And voila. There we have it, nothing major. It's really simple, just twist and tuck like that. So, get a little closer for you. Continue adjusting. I'm just gonna leave it like this, wrapped up like this, tight like this. And then I am just going to tie it in a knot in the front, like this. And then make it really simple. Go back the other way and twist it back this way so that it's crossed like that. I hope y'all can see it. So for this next one, just unwrap it, but we're gonna leave it pretty much the same, the base the same. And so this go around, we're just gonna put them together like this and just start twisting. Yes, so those were the head wrap styles. Those are just some starter, wrap styles. Nothing too intricate, just different things that you can do while, you want to get up and be out on the go and still look cute. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.